What's up, my YouTube friends? Johnny V here. Today I got the Boeing 767-300ER from British Airways. 1 to 200, of course. There's the model number if you're interested. Nothing special about this box. Here it tells you the specifications. The length is about 55 meters, which is about 180 feet. The two Rolls-Royce engines. And alright, let's get into it. Here's the box it comes in. It's a lot smaller than I imagined. This is 767. British Airways started flying the 767 in 1990. They retired it in 2018 after what? 28 years. I guess they were getting old. And they replaced them with the more fuel efficient Dreamliner like this. Right, this. Alright, let's see. Nice. Short, fat bird. Short, fat, thick. There's the tail number, but when I looked it up, it doesn't come up as anything because it's been retired. It's probably scrapped already. Old tail heavy. Never noticed that before. Sounds like some kind of royal thing for Great Britain. Beautiful looking plane. Happy to have it in my collection. It's my first 767. Wish it wasn't tail heavy. Let me open the window to get some lighting in here. All right, we're back with some more better lighting now. Oh, that's a lot different than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like a big, thick, you know, heavy. I thought it was gonna be a big heavy. I mean, it is a heavy, but I thought it was gonna be like thicker, skinnier than I thought it was gonna be. I'm going to show you next to the 787, but 787 is a thicker bird. And it looks more like a 757 if you ask me. I'm going to put the 757 next to it. I mean, I think that landing gear is non-removable. I like that. I don't need removable landing gear. It rotates a little bit. I don't think the wheels roll. I'm not sure if they roll. There's a cargo door, luggage door. Is that a navigation light or a landing light? Don't really have any lights on the end of the wing. And I guess that is a light in the middle of the screen there, but you really can't tell what color it is or anything. I think JC Wings did a good job with this plane. Colors look good. The mold looks excellent. I even like the nameplate. Classy looking nameplate. It's not cheap looking, it's not overly fancy, it's just the information you need with the logo. Looks like the Rolls-Royce logo on the engines. That's a nice looking picture there. Let's rotate it around. And the 767 has that classic looking nose, that stubby looking nose. Alright, I've got the 757 side by side, well, front to back anyway. The wingspan of the 767 is bigger, but the length is about the same. The length of the 767 is 180 feet. The length of the 757-300 is 178 feet. So it's only like 2 or 3 feet difference. What do y'all think? You like it? I like the engines, short and skinny and long. Very similar to the Airbus 330-200 Hawaiian video I got. I don't have that plane right now, but look, here's the 787. Let's look at the 787 in comparison with the fuselage is bigger on the Dreamliner. And the fuselage is fatter. This is almost like a narrow body. The 767 is almost like a narrow body to me. And I know it's not a narrow body, but look at the difference, the width. I should have looked up the seat map of the 767. It's gotta be 242. It's gotta be 242 what they used to use. No way they can fit 9 across. And I think the Dreamliner can do 333. Definitely the A330 can do 333, but sometimes if you want to be more comfortable, the airlines choose for the 242 option. Notice Cebu Pacific, they do the 333, and they say that, man, it's so crowded, it's so cramped. They seat like 479 people. It's the most cramped. It's the most cramped plane, passenger plane. Alright, smash that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you haven't. This is the 767-300 by British Airways. And I'll see y'all in the next video. It's Johnny V. Peace out. Really nice plane.